Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer money from Sofi to Cash App, and this is actually very easy. So the main problem with this is that Sofi cannot be directly connected to the Cash App. So what you need to do is at first add a bank account to the Sofi app. So all you need to do is open the app, and then in the top right corner you're going to click on the transfer option, and then if you're not linked to a bank, a pop-up will appear. So click on continue, select your bank account, and from there you can connect your bank account. And after that, what you're going to do is go to manage your connected account, and then open the investing tab, and then click on add cash, and then click on manage bank, and then select your account, and your bank account will be added. After that, you're going to add the same account to Cash App. So open the Cash App, and then click on the bank icon, and then click on linked bank, and then put in your bank details. After that, continue, and from there you're going to select Sofi Bank so you can transfer Sofi to the Cash App. So what you need to do is open your Sofi app one more time. On the top right corner, click on transfer option, select the bank transfer, and then enter your bank details and confirm the transaction. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.